Hello everybody, this is a used Chevy Silverado half-ton 2021. Really clean truck, purchased locally, traded locally. This is just a 2-year-old vehicle, very nice inside with leather, as you can see, and a bench seat. This folds up, so you have true 6-passenger in the crew cab, touchscreen radio, heated seats, dual zone climate control, power tailgate pop, tow package, push button start. Miles are just 13,400 miles. Has cruise control, hands-free phone. Of course it's 4-wheel drive. 18-inch wheels. Tonneau cover. Excellent tire tread, only 13,000 miles on it. Spray-in bed liner, look at that. Again, you can see the trailer hitch there for the tow package, the steps for getting in the box. Tire tread, fantastic. It's a like-new truck. 2 years old with 13,000 miles on it. You could save thousands and thousands of dollars off of a brand new one, which we also sell. For comparison, you should come buy this truck. Beautiful Chevy half-ton at Snowy Mountain Motors.